Hello everybody, how are you? Hope you are all doing well. My name is Tapas Kumar Basu. On behalf of my channel, The Technical Analysis of Financial Product, today I have decided to explain you about the algo trading. Now, what is actually algo trading and how you can trade with the help of an algo, and what is the benefit of algo trading, right? So let me explain you the algo trading. Algo is nothing but an automatic trading. So it means you have to feed the machine the certain condition. If this condition is fulfilled, then the signal will be generated. Suppose you have given the buying signal, so with some condition, if you told machine this is the condition need to be fulfilled, the moment it got fulfilled, so that buying signal should be generated simultaneously or in terms of sale also, right? So now let me explain technically how it is generally function. So now one very important thing also, that lot of people are using that algo trading. You know that those who are especially working in the different field, though they are very busy, they cannot spend so much of time as far as the trading part is concerned, but they are very interested to the trading. So what they can do it, they can apply the algo trading, and lot of professionals are using this algo trading, where they don't have to spend so much of time for this algo trading. What they will basically they basically set some instruction and then feed to the computers, and accordingly the computer will execute the trading and buying as far as this instruction given by the client, right? So what you have to do is, suppose you have taken one positions today. So now suppose any stock you have bought, say around 750. Now the stock appreciated around 10 or 15%, you would like to book the profit. So what you have to do it, you are not able to execute your trading by one dash because you are very busy in the office. So you have to call to the dealer. So the moment you call the dealer, the moment you tinkle the dealer, what happens, you got that the dealer was very busy, and the moment after waiting 5 or 10 minutes, you got a call back from the dealer. On that time the price came down. So what happened? But it generally happens this sort of thing. But in case of algo trading, what you can do it, in the morning you can feed the computer. You can feed the computer that these are the particular condition I am putting. That's when these are the condition for the buying signal, and these are the condition for the selling signal. So you don't have to wait for anyone's. The computer will automatically start getting executed, right? Now how it is happened, so let me explain. Now let me straight away go to the daily candlestick chart of Nifty, right? So I have opened the Nifty. This is a daily candlestick chart of Nifty. Now you have decided that you would like to, you actually basically you do not know, you are also not able to find out what will be the direction of the Nifty. It might go upside, it may go downside. But as far as the candlestick pattern is concerned, you see this is a red one is a bearish candle, this is a green one is a bullish candle. This is the particular daily candlestick chart. The way this red candle has appeared over here, as if it has engulfed the entire previous candle. It means this is called a bearish engulfing pattern in downtrend. As far as the bearish, there is a presence of bearish engulfing pattern in the downtrend, it means there is a possibility to retreat to a downside. This is as far as the candlestick pattern is concerned. But you are not confident whether it may go also upside also. But it also depends on the global matters. If there is any positive global news comes, so naturally this technical thing will not happen. So what you can do it, so you can apply the algo trading. So now I am going to explain you the two very simple method of algo trading, and two application I am doing. I will just apply here two exponential moving average. One is the 8 exponential moving average, another is the 20 exponential moving average. So we have to find out the crossover. Downside crossover would be our buying zone, and upside crossover would be our selling zone. Now first let me plot the exponential moving average. So this is the candlestick chart. Now I am going to plot the exponential moving average. So now let me go to the exponential moving average. Where is the exponential moving average? Yes. So this is the exponential moving average. So it automatically has plotted, but it is a 9 exponential moving average. I have to convert it into 20, right? So what you have to do, you have to double click over here. You go to the inputs. There is a here you have to change. You make 20, right? And then okay. So this is a 20 exponential moving average. Along with I have to also plot another 8 exponential moving average, right? Because we have to find out the downside crossover and upside crossover of between these two moving average, right? So now let me check the moving average. Yes, this is a moving 1 minute. This is exponential moving average. Now I have to convert it into 8 exponential moving average, right? I have to make a double click over here is a 9, so make it 8 exponential moving average, and then I have to change the color, make it red. This I am putting it red so that it will be easier for you to understand which one is 8 and which one is 20, and okay, right? This is exponential moving average, right? So what I have told you, this is, you see, this is a what is it? This is, you see, this is a 20 exponential moving average, and the red one is a 8 exponential moving average. What I have told you, whenever we see that there is a crossover, we can do the buying or selling. In downside crossover, we'll go for a buy, we'll take the position. In upside crossover, we'll short the position or we'll book the profit. Now, if we work in this is a daily candlestick chart, but if we work as an intraday, so for the intraday we have to plot the 15 minutes chart. This is a 15 minutes chart, right? This is a 15 minutes chart. You see, this is the red one is 8 exponential moving average, and this one is blue one is a 20 exponential moving average. You always remember, whenever 8 exponential moving average will intersect the 20 exponential moving average from below, that would be our buying zone. So where we can take the position. And when we see that 8 exponential moving average intersecting the 20 exponential moving average from upside, that would be our selling side. So it means we could have entered over here and we could have booked the profit over here. Now, if we would have entered over here, what would be the price level? 16,979, and we would have booked the profit over here. This is a crossover. What would be this? This is 17,900. It means more than 100 points. More than 100 points means, you know, what is the size, lot size of Nifty 50. It is a 5,000 profit. Here we can book the profit. We sold over here. Again we will see where is the crossover. Again we see there is another crossover downside. You see the red one is intersecting the 20. So we could have booked we could have make an entry over here. So we have sold over here. We could have and we made an entry over here. So within this, so we sold at what point? We sold at 17,121, and we again entered and 17,004. Means here we are getting another 100 point plus. So here's another profit. So we entered over here. Again we are moving over here, but we haven't seen any crossover. Now you see the crossover over here. This is the red one is 8 exponential moving average intersected from upside to the 20 exponential moving average. So we could have booked the profit here 17,310. We have entered at what point? 17,052. We booked the profit here 17,300. Means we got the 300 points. 300 points is 300 into 50. 15,000 around within a very short period. We earned so much of money over here. This is a 15 exponential moving average. 20 exponential moving average. So what you have to do, we have to give this instruction to the computer whenever you see the downside crossover. So the buying signal to be generated. When there will be an upside crossover, the selling signal will be generated. This will get automatically executed right through the computer. This is actually called algo trading. To make it more confirmation, you can put another, you can use also another indicator. Already I have plotted over here, which is called the RSI. This RSI is nothing but this is a momentum indicator. RSI is very faster than price. Lot of trader using particularly this RSI. You can put one condition. Whenever 8 exponential moving average intersect the 20 exponential moving average, and also the RSI is also above 50, then buying signal should be generated. You see that 8 exponential moving average intersected over here, this point, and also you see this point, the RSI is also above 50, right? This is a 50, this RSI is above 50. So whenever this condition will be fulfilled, then the buying signal to be generated. Same way, you see that when the RSI below 50, it means when we see that the red exponential moving average, the 8 exponential moving average intersects the 20 exponential moving average from upside, and on that case RSI should be below 50, then the selling signal would be generated. Means the buying signal will be generated on the condition when the 8 exponential moving average intersects the 20 exponential moving average from the below, and RSI should be above 50, then buying signal should be generated. When the 8 exponential moving average intersects the 20 exponential moving average from the upside, and similarly the RSI should be below 50, then selling signal will be generated. This condition we have to fit it in the computer, and accordingly it will start executed. So this is the weekend chart. You always remember you should make an entry to the market after 10:30, because after 10:30 we will be able to understand the situation of the market. Then we can easily find out how much is put rating is going on, how much is call rating is going on. So after 10:30 you can fit particular this condition, and you can maybe for 2 hours or 3 hours as per your terms, or 2 hours you can put. After 2 hours you can come out from this position, right? But this is to be very honestly, I'm telling you, this is a very useful algo trading. So I'm telling you, those who are interested, plus do the paper trading first. After that you will get the confidence, you can see what is the result, then you take your own decision. But to be very honestly, I'm telling you, this is purely for for educational purpose. I'm not suggesting to apply blindly particular this condition. So those who are interested to do particular this sort of application, I would request you to please first do consult with your own respective investment advisor. After that you can take your own decision, right? Because this is purely for educational purpose. This channel is purely for educational purpose. This channel is not responsible for anyone's buying and selling decision. But if anybody is interested to work with me, you can get in touch with me with my mobile number, and in the description box I have given my mobile number also, right? And apart from it also, I am having also on my own Telegram channel. Those who are interested, you can also join my Telegram channel. This Telegram channel is also for educational purpose, and I have given the link to my Telegram channel also. And to be very honestly, I am telling all of you, please, I need your suggestion. I need your feedback. Feedback about particular this application. And also I request you to everyone, please do subscribe this channel, and also to share this channel to a near and dear ones, so that you know that if I get more responses from all of you guys, so it will definitely encourage me to bring lot more videos in near future, right? And apart from it also, once again I'm telling you, those who are interested to work with me also can work with me. You can directly get in touch with me through my mobile number. My mobile number is already I have given my mobile number to the description box, right? So by saying this, I am going to sign up today's program. Thank you very much and have a great day.